In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this gear at the top of it. Then select Theme section. Scroll down and tap on all of those dots at the top right corners. This way you'll see all available themes. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and then select Apply at the bottom right corner. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, click on the same gear, click on Theme section, and this time use this plus icon under My Themes. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!